Eto na yung mga na-try ko na sodium ascorbate or non-acidic vitamin C. So for this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 sodium ascorbate na vitamin C for the year 2021. Bakit nga ba nasabi siya? Hi there, my name is Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to show you top 5 best vitamin C, non-acidic vitamin C, or sodium ascorbate for the year 2021. So I have here 5 sodium ascorbate products. So we have here sodium ascorbate Ultima C, 24 Alkaline C, Radiance C, Be Well C, and Fern C. So these are some of the top 5 most popular and the best vitamin C, non-acidic vitamin C that are available in the market, such as in Mercury Drugstore, Watson's, and other leading drugstores near you. So before we begin, bakit importante ang sodium ascorbate non-acidic vitamin C? Because not all people can take vitamin C na ascorbic acid. Yung mga people who are suffering from gastritis or ulcerations in their stomach, in their duodenum, or in their esophagus, medyo hindi okay sa tiyan nila. Why? Because there are active na irritants or active na parang open wounds that are not suitable for taking another form of acid. Kahit na vitamin C, because it can cause another irritating problem na medyo sasakit. So it is really recommended to, or it is recommended for them to take non-acidic vitamin C, such as these products. So I have 2 brands na non-acidic vitamin C for people who are, ayan, medyo may open wound, such as mga gasgas or ulceration. Kaya naman, importante rin na magkaroon tayo ng sodium ascorbate na vitamin C kasi antioxidant din ito, not only for being as an immune booster. So, before we begin, let me say thank you sa mga sponsors and of course, subscribe to my 2 YouTube channel. So, without further ado, guys, let us now begin with my top 5 sodium ascorbate for the year 2021. So, without further ado, let's begin with my first among the top 5 vitamin C, non-acidic vitamin C, which is, here it is, Ultima C. So this is a kind of popular sodium ascorbate products that you can avail in any drugstores near you. Ayan. So it looks like this. The box looks like this, and it is very popular among Uno na mga members ng Uno MLM company. So we have here the sodium ascorbate Ultima C. Ayan, 500 milligrams na capsule. Tapos, yun yung content niya. And, of course, matagal ko na siyang ginamit. So, I took this product or this brand way back 2 years ago. So, syempre, ubos na siya. And I'm very thankful na andito pa rin yung box. So, I kept this box thinking that I can use this box for my future vlogs. So, yes, indeed. Per capsule is approximately between 8 to 9 tablets or capsules. Ayan, per piece po yan. So, depende po yan if you're a member of Uno. Ayan, mas cheaper of course. But if you're a non-member or just a customer, ayan, mas mataas yung price niya. So, yes, this is very popular na brand, and this is really recommended sa mga very acidic patients, or if you're acidic, if you're suffering from constant gastritis, or if you have any history of gastritis, yung mga ulcerations in the stomach or duodenum or in ileum or any part of your small intestine. Ayan, collection na lang yung ileum. So, that's it. Sodium ascorbate Ultima C. So, 100 capsules po siya in a box. So, ganyan. Siyempre, medyo madumi na siya kasi matagal na. And this is one of the most recommended products, most recommended brands for you. And now we move on to etong second na, of course, last year ko siya tinake din. And here it is. Number 2 is 24 Alkaline C Sodium Ascorbate. So this is also a popular na brand, especially nung pandemic. So during the onset of pandemic, such as nung March or April or May, biglang lumakas or biglang naging popular itong 24 Alkaline C. And there are some famous na artist na mga nag-endorse sa product na ito. So, ayan, medyo nabubulol ako. Pero anyway, yes, this brand became popular and is now increasing its popularity, value, yung sales niya kasi nga we need vitamin C to boost our health. And this is also recommended syempre sa mga taong may gastritis. So, the price is similar with itong Ultima C. Ayan, depende na lang sa seller. So, between 8 to 10 na lang. 8 to 10 pesos per capsule yung isa dito. And yes, depende talaga sa seller or if you're a member of an MLM, multi-level marketing. Usually kasi yung mga ibang brands under MLM company, multi-level marketing na mga companies. So, ayan, 24 Alkaline C. So, ayan, more than 500 mg capsule din ang kanyang laman. So, this is really recommended for us, especially na there's still no vaccine here in the Philippines. So, we really need to take vitamin C every day, pwedeng twice a day. Pero kapag frontliner ka, thrice a day. Kasi nga, you are exposed sa mga taong hindi mo kakilala. So, here it is. Once again, 24 Alkaline C Sodium Ascorbate. And yung pang third naman is etong Radiance C. So, Radiance C, if you are not aware of this product, ito ang isa sa mga medyo siksik na sodium ascorbate. Why? Because it has collagen. Ayan, quercetin din. Kaya, tapos may NAC din. Kaya, talagang siksik siya sa laman. So, we have here, ayan. So, collagen, meron siyang quercetin and acetyl, tama ba? L-cysteine. Ayan. Ang dami pa, calcium carbonate din, and vitamin D3. So, it is a multivitamin siya, but I am also, ayan, medyo nag-blurred siya, so, bumalik na siya. Radiance C, vitamin C plus, because siksik siya sa laman, and I really recommend this sa inyong lahat. Although, hindi siya as popular as other commercialized brand, but ang masasabi ko lang is bago siya. This is new. It is a new brand promoting wellness. Tapos, it also not only boost your immunity, but also to replenish your skin, to improve your skin's turgor or yung skin condition mo, magiging mas maputi ka, mas syempre, mas supple yung skin mo, hydrated siya, and mas magiging glowy yung skin mo kasi nga marami siyang laman. So, yes, Radiance C plus na vitamin C, sodium ascorbate. And, by the way, I would like, once again, if ever nanonood kayo na I would like to say thank you for sponsoring me etong product na ito because syempre na-consume ko na and yes, it is effective in and outside. So once again, Radiance Vitamin C plus sodium ascorbate and calcium na pampalakas na bone. So ayan, calcium ascorbate din siya. And we proceed to eto na, yung isa sa mga popular brands na sodium ascorbate na since college pa ako, ito yung mga lumalabas. And now, we proceed to number 4. Itong Fern C Sodium Ascorbate. Yes, very popular siya, Fern C, because as in, lagi ko siyang nakikita. And nung estudyante ako, parang hindi ko ma-afford ang Fern C kasi medyo mahal siya dati. Pero ngayon, medyo nagmura na siya kasi nga, dumami ang mga companies na naisipang mag-produce ng mga sodium ascorbate products or ascorbic acid. But syempre, in this vlog, we will be focusing on non-acidic vitamin C because we really need to have another option option na vitamin C not to make our stomach feels irritated dahil nga kapag may mga taong may gastritis, ayan, mas lalo silang nagkakaroon ng problema sa tiyan kapag may additional acid. So, here it is, sodium ascorbate Fern C. So, very popular ito. Ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-popular na sodium ascorbate na makikita nyo sa lahat ng drugstore, small or large company or large pharmacies. So, ito yung itsura ng kanyang brand. Ayan, very orange. So, pati sa likod, and ayan, andito yung parang directions niya, tapos yung mga description about this particular product. So, ayan, para magkaroon tayo ng closer look, yan, Fern C sodium ascorbate na pwede rin siyang antioxidant. Ayan. So, ngayon, ang susunod sa ating top 5 is etong Be Well C. So, yes, number 5 is Be Well C na vitamin C na pwede kong i-recommend as one of the best top 5 na non-acidic vitamin C for 2021. Oh, di ba? Because Be Well C din is one of the most affordable products. So, lahat sila nag-range ng between 8 to 10 or baka pwedeng 6, 7, or 11 and 12. Depende po yan sa seller kung magpapatong siya or magbabawas siya ng price sa mga per piece o sa mga per box. Ayan, depende kung ano yung bibilhin nyo. Depende rin sa pupuntahan nyong mga seller, pharmacies, or online sellers. So, etong Be Well C non-acidic vitamin C, ayan. Ito rin yung mga isa sa mga pinopromote na brands na makikita nyo sa Watsons. So, yes, kapag pupunta kayo sa Watsons, very visible ito. Meron pa nga mga sales personnel na nagpromote ng Be Well C. So, ito yung 1 box and 30 pieces siya plus 10. So, ayan yung promo nila. Meron silang mga promo actually kasi nga, syempre, nag-boost tayo ng immune system at nag-boost din yung mga brands ng kanilang products na sodium ascorbate non-acidic vitamin C. So, syempre, since plus 10 siya, mas makakamura ka dito. Siguro mga 7 or 6 per capsules na mauubos mo in just 1 month. So, di ba? Or pwede rin for 5 weeks. Ayan, 5 weeks mo siya mauubos. So, 1.5 month, pwede siguro, di ba? So, 30 plus 10 and ito ang isa sa mga pinakamurang sodium ascorbate. So, I think, yes, naka-vlog din ako dito sa Be Well C alone na sodium ascorbate as the cheapest sodium ascorbate brand na available sa mga pharmacy. So, yes, Be Well C is also recommended na best sodium ascorbate. And yes, here are once again my top 5 sodium ascorbate or non-acidic vitamin C for the year 2021. And for those brands who are watching this vlog, you may contact me kung gusto nyo or if you want me to review your product, or you can suggest any product for me to review. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mga next na products na pwede natin i-analyze and pwede nating i-test or review. So, guys, if you love how I vlog this video, don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels, The Story of Anthony and The Story of Anthony Vlogs. So, if you have any questions, suggestions, reactions, or anything under the sun, just comment down below. And of course, you can contact me sa aking social media accounts such as in Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So until then, thank you and always stay safe. Mwah!